way more energy and mental clarity to go through my days, run my business, and be there for my kids and my family. I'm Raghav, and I've been at MPH for 4 months. I've achieved a lot of vitality, a lot of energy. I've put on 5 kilos of lean muscle mass, gone down to 4% body fat, and gained about 5 kilos in body weight. Gained energy, and I've gained strength to play with my young daughters, lifting them up, no brain fogs anymore, and more importantly, way more energy and mental clarity to go through my days, run my business, and be there for my kids and my family. I would recommend MPH to anybody who is actually looking to get more out of their life. It's not just about weight loss, it's about having more energy, having more mental clarity, and living your life in a much better way. If you want to eat well or just be present for your everyday tasks, I think being at MPH has helped me to do all those things better and live my life better. Working with Nick at MPH has helped me push my boundaries, helped me learn how far I can go or how much stronger I can become. All my pains and aches have gone, and more importantly, the vitality I feel through the nutrition program and also the exercise and the training has just helped me have a much better quality of life.